Welcome to the overview for Module 4 this week. This week you'll be doing some reading in two more foundational authors' viewpoints on education. One is the Teaching the Taboo, chapters from that by Rick Ayers and William Ayers. They wrote about times of upheaval over the last 30 years or so in education. And you'll also be reading a little older but very pivotal author, John Dewey, famous earlier in the century, and his foundational opinions about education. You'll be reflecting on what's prevalent and pertinent that you see from these authors in education and coaching still today, and also reflecting on the authors that you read last week, work from Socrates' viewpoint and Paulo Freire, to capture three quotes or ideas that you found really pivotal, interesting, key to each of the viewpoints of these four different sets of readings. And then you're writing a paragraph about each to reflect on how you see that coming up in today's educational and coaching settings, either showing or needed to be shown within these settings that are contemporary. Again, this week, you will have a chance to see some of the TED Talks posted by this time Group 2, who have signed up to produce those TED Talks for you. And you will have a chance, if you're in Group 2, to post your TED Talk by Wednesday at midnight so that your classmates can begin to view what you've said about your passionate perspective about an educational issue that you are talking about. And between Thursday and Sunday, your classmates will be responding to you. You can respond back in a discussion online. So everyone is involved in the TED Talks, either posting if you're in Group 2, or in responding to at least two of those posts in the discussions if you are in the remainder of the class. Finally, just a reminder to keep reading the book that you've chosen for your book team. You will have a chance this week to introduce yourself to your book team, see the classmates that are also joining you in that group, and just begin to talk a little bit about some of the key ideas or maybe the big approach you want to take for later in the semester in presenting the ideas to your classmates who have not read the same book that you have. Today is, for this week, just an introductory kind of meeting. You're just posting a few thoughts and maybe where you are in the book and your overall plan to maybe begin posting those ideas in more detail later. You'll have a chance during upcoming two more modules before you actually present the book team project at the end of the course. Everyone have a wonderful week this week and look for the Friday announcement, and just check in with email if you have any questions with me. Thank you.